Hi there. So today we're going to be talking about how to set up a time of use profile on your GoodWe system. So the first thing you want to do is open up the SEMS Plus app and open up your site. Head on over to Devices and select the All-in-One. Scroll down to Common Controls and select the working mode. And you can see here that there's a few tiles and you have a time of use tile with a little hexagon symbol on the top right of it. Select the hexagon symbol and over here you can adjust your time of use profiles and select up to 8 different profiles. If you want to add a new one, select the plus symbol. You can choose a charge or discharge profile. For most purposes in Western Australia, you're only going to need to set up the charge profile. Anytime outside of the charge periods that you put in, it will automatically go into self-consumption mode. So we want to set up a charge profile, set a start time, for example, between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Select the tick up the top. Select the days that you wanted to repeat for. In our case, we're just going to do all the dates. Charge cutoff is how much you're going to charge the battery, to what capacity you're going to charge the battery during that period. Most people opt to charge at to 100% during the charging time. Grid input charging power is how much power you're going to draw from the grid to charge during this period as well. So some people want to charge at 100%. Some people tend to go for something like 50%. In our case, we'll do 50%. And we're going to we're going to click the tick button. And it is saved successfully, as you can see down there. If we head on back, just make sure that the time of use slider is turned to on. And that's it. Now you've set up a time of use profile on your GoodWe system. Thanks for watching and have a sunny day. Take care.